but I'm gonna show you how to assign your knobs in Logic if y'all already know how. It's actually quite simple. Basically, here it is. While I'm bringing it up, the volume fader is done, put in. Alright, I've already got the volume fader put in, as you can see. I'm moving up and down, it's going up and down. I'm pretty sure you could do it with your motif. It's hooked in through MIDI, so I don't see why it wouldn't work. Basically what you do, okay, you click on what you want to use, alright? Like say for instance your cut. You pick any knob you want to use. I'm just gonna say this one. Alright. Command L. Alright. Now there it goes. You see that? Alright, now you click learn mode and it will learn it. See, it did receive the message and it is working. So okay, keep both. Now hear that difference? Let me turn it up. I could do the same thing with any of the knobs. Let's see, this one right here. I'll sign here. Click. Move a little bit. Command L. Move it again. Now I can change everything. See that? It's learn mode. Now. And I can do that with anything on here. Anything. Even the little LFO guy. Watch. I'm gonna use, I don't know, let's use this one. So click on it, move it. Oh wait, I already got him signed. Alright, click on it, move it a little bit, Command L. See, now that's even moving up and down. You can do it with anything on whatever AU that you're using. Just learn mode, exit out. Alright, now that's it. So that's how you use your controller knobs. Alright, you're welcome. You're welcome, dog. Blah.